winter storage time soon, so here's some advice from Ride the Wind. If you have lithium batteries, woo, you just get to turn off the breaker, unplug it, and take that battery inside. Yes, yes, yes. The newer recommendation is not to have your lithium 100% charged. So if you're at 50 to 80%, that is awesome. Okay, so try not to have them completely charged. And if you can't take your bike out, then just run it for a little bit, or just if you can't run it, then at least turn it on for, you know, half a day just to drain that battery a little bit. So 80% is cool with that. Lead acid. Lead acid can be tricky. Most of the lead acid bikes, you can't take the batteries out. So if your bike is having to go outside, like in a shed or just covered, there's absolutely no guarantee on your batteries. Lead acid is easier in the winter than lithium, but leaving them outside in the dead of winter at minus 30, 40 is like, it's just not guaranteed that you're gonna get them back. So if you're handy enough, take the batteries out. It's a huge pain in the ass. We have videos on that. Otherwise, if you have an insulated or somewhat insulated garage, where, you know, you still do get some frozen water, whatever, on the ground, that's okay. But if you could just top up the battery, turn the breaker off, leave it, and then once a month just go in and turn the charger on. It should only take about half an hour to an hour and a half just to top those up, if that. And so do that once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on how you know, diligent you are about it. So that's what to do with that. You can only do what you can do. If you're comfortable to take the batteries out and bring them inside, but you got to draw that diagram of how all those went in a series. Some bikes are very hard to get into, but you really don't have a choice if you have to leave it in a shed or outside if you have lead acid. Lithium, woohoo! One of the other benefits from that one is just ding, 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 take it out. So anyways, that is the advice for winter storage.